This fifth video is on chapter 5 of LEKKI Headmaster. We are looking at questions, possible questions that JAMB will ask you, right? Our goal in this channel is to ensure that all of you following us on this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial, that everyone scores at least 300 and above in your JAMB. Our goal for you watching this video is 300 and above in your JAMB. If you claim it, type "I claim it" in the comment section so that we know where you belong, right? And because of that, you already know that LEKKI Headmaster is the recommended JAMB novel and nobody can dodge it. It's not a novel you can decide to read or not to read. That is why I have brought out my time. I've been posting videos daily, every day, giving you videos on this book and some other aspect of use of English and some other subjects we'll be writing, because it is very, very, very important. Now, in this video, if you need JAMB syllables, if you need me to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question that will help you in your preparation, I will give it to you. That is, if you watch this video from now to the end. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will know that you are serious, and I will send you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question that will help you in your preparation for this very exam. So let us look at possible questions from chapter number 5 of LEKKI Headmaster. Then at the end of this video, if you watch it to the end, I can give you those rewards, okay? Number one, what does the MD, Mrs. Ibidon-Gloss, discover during her inspection? What does she discover during her inspection? The answer is she discovers a hidden car park used by staff with several luxury cars. She never knew. The school had a car park, but there was a hidden car park where there some other staff that she thought did not have cars were also parking their cars. Number two, who informs the MD about the staff parking? The answer is Jumbo, the security guard, the security official. Number three, what is the MD's initial reaction to the car park? How did she react when she noticed that there was a secret car park used by some staff? A, the answer is she is shocked and suspicious that staff might be embezzling school funds. She was wondering how come the staff are able to buy these expensive cars. So she was suspicious. Okay, number four, question. Remember to take these questions seriously. Don't just watch these things and leave them. Take every video you see on our channel seriously. To score 300 and above in your JAMB, you need to be serious. You don't need to joke. You can start partying, playing around, going to a party after you have secured your admission or after you have gotten what you need in your JAMB. But right now is a time to settle down and prepare. Settle down and prepare. Claim 300 and above and settle down. Remember, I've done over 30 videos on LEKKI Headmaster for you, because we are sure that questions must come out from it. If you need me to give you a link of all the videos I've done on LEKKI Headmaster, including the reading, we have read chapter 5 for you. If you watch the video we did on chapter 5, you will see how we read it and explained it. If you need me to give you that video, let me know. Okay, number 4. Question 4. How do the principal and accountant explain the car purchases? The answer is they attributed it to loans from the school's cooperative society. The school has a cooperative society, okay? Number 5. How much money is in the school's cooperative purse? The answer is 95 million with over 50 million loaned out. 95 million with over 50 million loaned out. If you have watched the video I did on reading and review of chapter 5, you will not be surprised at this answer, because I took my time to read it word by word and give you the review. Okay? If you have been reading the book and you're not understanding, just watch the videos. What decision does the board make regarding the cooperative? What decision did they make? The decision they make is they impose a maximum loan limit of 250,000 and required MD approval for loans. They limited it. They said that they now said a staff cannot take beyond 250,000, and that the MD, managing director of the school, Mrs. Ibidon-Gloss, must approve the loan. Number 7, what does Chief Bayo fear about the cooperative's power? What does she fears staff might rebel and start a rival school? She feared that with all the money the staff had through the cooperative, they could rebel against the school and start their own school that is compete against them. Why does the MD call a board meeting to address the potential risk posed by the cooperative's financial independence? Number 9, what type of cars are parked in the hidden lot? This chapter is a very interesting one. You need to watch the video I did on review of that chapter. What type of cars are parked in the school's hidden lot? The answer is luxury cars like Toyota, Hyundai, Venza, and Mazda, including 2 buses. Okay. Number 10. Question 10. How does the MD feel during the inspection? The answer is she feels anger, fear, and suspicion. She feels what? She feels what? Anger, fear, and suspicion. Please, don't take these questions, don't take these videos I'm doing for you for granted. Take them seriously. Study them. This is for questions for chapter 4. Chapter 5 you are watching. I have done other videos, questions, expected questions from chapter 1 to 3 up until chapter 12. So don't joke with any of them. What does the cooperative society symbolize in the chapter? It represents, the answer is, it represents staff empowerment, but also possesses a perceived threat to school management. Question 12. Why is the MD concerned about staff affording luxury cars? The answer is she fears it could indicate financial mismanagement or dishonesty. That is why she summoned the principal and the accountant. 13. How does the board's decision reflect their leadership style? Remember their decision. What did they decide? What did the board decide? I've answered it several times. If you know what the board decided over the issue of the cars, tell me in the comment section. What did the board decide? I'm throwing the question to you. How does the board decision? Okay, the answer is it shows a cautious and controlling approach to managing risk. Number 14. What role does suspicion play in the chapter? The answer, it drives the MD's action and the board's decision making. Number 15. How does the principal's calm the manual help in this situation? You know, Mr. Beppo is a principal of Stardom School and he's always calm, professional, and extremely dedicated. How does the principal's calm the manual help in this situation? By the way, I've taught you in this our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, that anytime I am teaching you or anytime you are learning, reading, whether you are learning from me or learning from any other person or learning from a book, and you encounter a word that is strange to you, a word you do not understand, what you should do is don't jump and pass. Don't jump and pass the word. Go over and check out the meaning of that word. You can check it in a dictionary, you can check it from Google, you can check it from any source, both whether it's the dictionary on your phone or a dictionary, physical dictionary. So I want to give you an assignment. Go and find out the meaning of this word, demanor. D-E-M-E-A-N-O-R. D-E-M-E-A-N-O-R. Write out the meaning, find the meaning and type it for me in the comment section. These are the things that will show me that you are serious. How does the principal calm the man or help in this situation? It reassures the MD and prevents the situation from escalating further. Okay, let's take the last set of questions. How does the chapter address the balance between empowerment and control? How does the chapter address the balance between empowerment and control? It explores, the answer is, it explores how empowering staff through loans can also create management concerns about authority and loyalty. 17. Why is the MD's reaction significant to the story's theme? Why is the MD's reaction significant to the story's theme? It highlights the tension between trust and suspicion in organizational leadership. That is the answer. Number 18. What does the board's decision reveal about their priorities? What does the board's, remember I've taught you, Anytime you encounter a question, the first thing you must do is try to understand the question. Don't rush into answering. Try to understand the question. Okay, number 18. What does the board's decision reveal about their priorities? A. The answer is it shows their focus on protecting the school's interests and maintaining control. They want to be in charge, in control. Okay, question number 19. How might the staff perceive the loan regulations? How might the staff, that is the teachers, perceive the loan regulations? A. The answer is they might feel restricted or mistrusted, potentially causing dissatisfaction, but the management really doesn't care much about the staff. Okay? Number 20. Okay? What lessons can be drawn from the MD's discovery? The answer is effective leadership requires balancing empowerment with oversight to prevent mistrust. 21. What is the significance of the title Long Break? Long break. You know, the MD normally takes break. It will affect the time of the discovery during a writing break when staff and students are at leisure. How does the chapter portray economic disparities within the school? Through the MD's shock at staff owning luxury cars despite their perceived income level. What is the role of the cooperative society in the story? The answer is it provides financial support to staff, enabling them to purchase assets like cars. There were even some of them that bought lands. Okay. How does Jumbo's information shape the MD's action? How does Jumbo is the security guard, how does his information shape the MD's actions? It triggers her investigation and subsequent action to address her concerns. Number 25. I won't answer number 25. I want you to answer it for me in the comment section. What does the MD's reaction reveal about her leadership style? What does the MD's reaction reveal about her leadership style? I won't answer that one for you. Now, what I want you to do, if you want to get free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllables from me, just like this video. Click on like this video, then share this video. When you click on share, copy the link, share it on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp, share it on all the groups you belong to for JAMB candidates. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Then when you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I hear you say I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the past questions and all the syllables you need. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.